In this video, I will show you how to add a testimonial slider to your Wix website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Okay, so from here, once we are signed up to Elfsight, the widget that we are looking for is called the Testimonial Slider. So in order to get this, we just want to go up to this search widgets box at the top of the screen and type in testimonials. And right here, we can see we have the testimonial slider widget. This is the one that we are looking for. So we can go ahead and click into this. And now we have a few different templates to choose from, like a slider template, a rotator template. So just look through these and choose the one that you think looks the best. And then we can click continue with this template. In here, inside of the content area, this is now where we can go through and add in all of the testimonials that we would like to add. So you can either add new testimonials in here and you can fill this out yourself. So you type out the testimonial text, the star rating, you can add a name, a caption, date, all of these different things. Or you can go in and edit the ones that are already here. So the same thing, you add in the text, the name, the caption, the date, the picture. I think it's easier to edit the ones that are already here because you have an example of what is in each section. So you can edit and add each of the testimonials in here. And if there are too many, there are some you would like to delete. We just go here to these three dots and click on delete. And we can choose which of these layouts we would like to use. Down here, I wouldn't recommend playing around with the width because this has already been set. But what we can do is go to the widget title and we can choose first of all if we would like this on and what this is going to say. So we could change this from what our clients say to anything else that we would like, and we can add a caption underneath this as well. Then we can come down to the testimonial section and we can choose the layout that we would like to use for these testimonials. And we can also choose what information is shown in here. So as an example, we could turn off the reviewer name. And this is going to take away the names. So you can choose what you want to show and what you wouldn't like to show. We can choose the reviewer name format. We can choose if we would like to show short or full text. And of course, with short, people have the ability to click read more and they can go through and read the full review. Then we can go to the style, and in here we can play around with the colors and fonts. So we can choose the accent color that we would like to use. We can choose the fonts that we are using for this. And then down here in customize elements, this is where we can really play around with all of the colors. So we have like the background color that we can go in and choose. We can even go in and play around with the widget title colors, the link colors, the fonts, and all of that good stuff. So go in here and make this fit your website with the colors that you use. Now, once you have this all set up and we are now ready to add this to our Wix website, all we have to do is click on publish up here. And the Elfsight is going to take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that I recommend going for is the free plan to start out with, because this is going to allow us to get everything set up for free and test this out on your website. And then later down the line, if you do want to upgrade to one of these paid plans, you can do so at any time if you want extra widgets or if you want more website views. Now, once that plan has been selected, Elfsight is going to give us this piece of code that will allow us to add the testimonial slider to our website. So we just want to copy the code right here, and then we can come over to our Wix editor. We then just want to scroll down to where we want to add this on the website. So I will add mine right underneath this top section. So we want to add in a new section where we would like the testimonial slider to be. And then right here where it says choose your starting point, we choose add elements. Then the element that we want to add is under here in embed code. So select embed code, and this is the one that we want, embed HTML. So we can go ahead and add this to the website, make sure that this is selected to code, and then we just paste in the code that we copied from Elfsight. Then once we click on update, the testimonial slider is going to load in. So we just drag this to fill the section and make sure that this all fits in, just like that, perfect size. And just like that, that is how you can add a testimonial slider to your Wix website.